Hi, all. I wanted to introduce you to our new preferred vendor ability that allows you to mark your vendors for the client portal and have those displayed in case you would like to allow clients to know, hey, this is my preferred contractor or handyman, things of that nature. So let's take a look. We'll go into settings here. We're in collaborators. We have our vendors right here. You will notice that this table has changed a bit. So we'll go in here, we'll add a new vendor. Let's do, just making up a name here. And we'll say that Sally is a plumber. And we'll add an email address. Phone number. And website. The reason we'll do all this is it's actually accessible for the client within their client portal. And then down here, we have this new tagging system that allows clients to actually find what they're looking for from your vendor list much quicker. So we'll add in plumbing here. And then this button right here or this checkbox will allow you to add this vendor into the client portal. So oftentimes agents like to have quite the laundry list of vendors added into the system, but only checking this box allows your client to see a vendor. So if you don't check it, obviously they're not showing up in the vendor portal. If at a later date you would like to add one of your vendors into the client portal, you would just click the edit button and then go ahead and check this box. So we'll go ahead and add that in there. Now we've got Sally in here. Oops, I clicked it a few times. We'll go ahead and take care of that. So you'll notice they're both marked as preferred vendor. We have our services offered, plumbing here, inspector. We can add multiple if Sally, for example, also specialized in sewage maybe. That's something we wanted to break out. So we have those both in here. We can then go into a client portal to kind of show you what you would see. And I've got a property here at 123 Main Street in Dallas. I can go in then to the vendors, and you'll see right here we've got Sally's Plumbing and John's Inspections. They can access this data to quickly kind of find the contact information. We can filter by a tag over here if we only want to see plumbers or if we only wanted to see inspectors. And then from there, obviously, the client will constantly have access to these vendors even after the transaction is made. So it makes for these vendors to be a little bit more sticky as well as your client portal so that clients are going to want to log back in just to say, hey, who was that person that my agent recommended? Can't remember off the top of my head 3 years later if maybe, for example, a water heater were to go out. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We would be more than happy to help in any way that we can.